Gururam Namaste. Good morning all of you, my dear third class students. Today discuss about time from your activity book, volume 2. See here, page number 19. Greeting cards for the birthdays of class 3rd students were made and kept in the respective month's file. Look at these files and find out the months in which there are no birthdays. See, given months, solution, given months, already given. See here, June, August, September, November, see here, January, next March, next April, see here. Now you can write answers. So, give an empty space. See here, in the calendar, year calendar, the first month is January. So, January is given, don't write. Now, next February. February had no beta. February had no. Then write down. Now next February after March given, March after April given, April after May, not there here. So then write down May. May after June given, June after July, not there, write down. July after August given, August after September given, September after October, not there, write down. October after November given, November after December, not there, write down. So, February, May, July, October, December. So, these are the months, there is no birthdays. Now next, look at the calendar and answer the following questions. See here, Monday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. See first question, which days of the week occur 5 times in this month? A days, 5 days vachai. See here, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Write down everybody. First one answer. See here, which days of the week occur 5 times in this month? So in this month, according to this month, 5 days are repeated. 5 times are repeated. So you can find out which are they. See here, answer Tuesday. Write down everybody. Next Wednesday. Next Thursday. Now next second one, 10th is a Thursday. So the date is 10th is Thursday. The next Thursday is on. Next Thursday 17th. Write down everybody. Third one. The date after 31st of the month is. So this is March. Now you can write April. Fourth one. The 18th of this month is on. 18th which day beta? Friday. Fifth one. Write the dates for the following. Third Monday. Third Monday, which date beta? 15th. Now next, second Saturday. Second Saturday. So first Saturday, 5th date, second Saturday, 12th date. Now next, 5th Tuesday. Fifth Tuesday, 29th beta. The date of 29th. Write down everybody. Now next, first Sunday. First Sunday, 6th date beta. Third Friday. So first Friday 4th, second Friday 11th, third Friday 18th. Next fourth Wednesday. Fourth Wednesday. So first Wednesday second. Now second Wednesday 9th, third Wednesday 16th, fourth Wednesday 23rd. 23rd of March. Now activity book completed, workbook.
One. Do jump.
See here from your workbook, volume 2, page number 16. So what time does each clock shows? Pick the correct answer. So you can see first clock, the hour sign lies between 12 and 1. The minutes hand represents numbered 7. So 7 means 7 is multiplied by 5, you can get minutes. 7 5 is 35. 12:35 is the correct answer, beta. Pick it. See now next, second one is first row, second one, the hours hand lies between 5 and 6 and the minutes hand represents numbered 9. See it beta. So what is the time? 5:45. The minutes hand shows numbered 9, then 9 into 5, 9 5 is the 45. 45, that is the minutes. So you can write, pick the 5:45. Now next, second row, first one, exactly this is 2 o'clock, very easy. The hour sign, it can show numbered 2 and the minutes hand it can show numbered 12. Then you can write 2 o'clock. Now next, the hour sign lies between 8 and 9 and also the minutes hand shows or represents numbered 11. Then 11 is multiplied by 5, you can get minutes. 11 5 is 55. So 8:55, pick it. Now next, match the digital clock to the time inverse. See, first one 7 o'clock. Match. Second one 1:20 means 20 minutes past 1. 20 minutes past 1. Now next one 5:45 means 5:45. Next 6:57, 3 minutes to 7. 6:57 means 3 minutes to 7. Now next 6:30 means half past 6. Now next, choose the correct time. Page number 17. Snehit's grandfather went for a walk in the evening at 6:30. What time is it? 6:30 p.m. beta. So choose the correct means 6:30 p.m. Pick it. Next, Shabnam comes home from school at 3:45. Shabnam comes home from school at 3:45. What time is 3:45 p.m.? So take it p.m. 3:45 p.m. Now next, Sohan's plays cricket at 4:12 after coming from the school every day. So what is it time? 4:12 a.m. or 4:12 p.m. So in the evening means, so you can take 4:12, 4 hours 12 minutes p.m. Next, Sarala and her brother will have breakfast at 7:30. What is the time? So 7:30 p.m. Next, Veena goes to music class in the evening at 5:20. What is the time? 5:20 p.m. Evening also p.m. See here, now next, at what time do you usually do the following activities? Note down the time. First one is wake up. Means waking up. Waking up, I think this is 6 a.m. Next, bathing. 6:30 a.m. Next, praying. 7 a.m. Eating breakfast. 7:30 a.m. Going to school. 8:45 a.m. This is the timeline. Favorite period. Favorite period say favorite periods. See here, 10:50 a.m. Favorite period maths. Write down everybody. 8. Now next, snacks break. AM. Lunch break. 1 PM. Afternoon. Next, playing. 5 o'clock in the evening, that is PM. Doing homework. See here, 6:15 PM in the evening. Watching TV. 7 PM. Going to bed.
9 PM.
9 PM.
What time will
Hey. Chat. Kalau itu lepas. Now next, page number 19. Observe the given class, read the corresponding questions and note down the times. What time will it be in 1 hour? So here time, exactly time, what beta? 3 o'clock. 1 hour means what time will it be in 1 hour? 1 after, so 4 o'clock. Write down everybody. Now second one, what time will it be in 2 hours? So now here starting time 4:30 means 6:30. 2 hours added to it. Now third one, what time will be in 4 hours? Now here, what is the time here? 10:50. 10:55 beta. 10:55. So after 4 hours, see 5, 10 plus 4, 14. 14 means 2:55 p.m. Write down. Now fourth one, what time will it be in half an hour? So what is the time now here? 1:45. Half an hour means 30 minutes. So 45 plus 30, 75. See here, 75 minutes it can be written as 60 minutes plus 15 minutes. 16 minutes means 1 hour plus 15 minutes. See here, 15 minutes, 1 hour carry to here in hours. So 2:15. Okay, beta. Today class is completed. Thank you to all.
Kalau belum bisa,